Low-cost advanced website traffic tactics for everyone. Advanced website traffic tactics might sound daunting, but if you make it low cost, then you have nothing but a win-win situation. Employ low-cost advanced website traffic tactics and you're in for a huge online success. What are these low-cost advanced website traffic tactics anyway? Surprise yourself by finding out that some of these tactics you can practice without having to spend a cent. 1. Write an article. You write an article, mention your site, submit it to e-zines and garner traffic from curious visitors. It's as simple as that. Don't just stop at one website, post your site anywhere possible. Who knows how many hits this low-cost advanced website traffic tactic will bring. 2. Exchange links. Never underestimate the power of link exchange. This is a low-cost advanced website traffic tactic that people tend to overlook. How to find out where to do the link exchange? Easy. Type your website's keywords in a major search engine, visit each and every of the top results and ask for the link exchange. 3. Get involved in forums. Look for forums highly related to your website and make your presence known. Make online friends and let them know about your website. This is an advanced website traffic tactic that advertises subtly but works effectively. Good thing about this is it doesn't cost you anything at all. For advanced website traffic needs advanced tools. The www world is rich with tools that churn out impressive results. Software to try out are those which take care of links and keywords. Once this is taken care of, the rest of this internet marketing job will be easy. 5. Power up with meta tags. Meta tags are what search engines are looking for, so it can include your site in the top results. Putting up meta tags in your HTML code is an advanced website traffic tactic that must not be missed. Low cost, you ask? Oh yeah. 6. Direct to directories. Keep submitting your site to directories like there's no tomorrow. Just take a look at your website and see if it's directory worthy. Web directories don't waste their time on poorly done websites. 7. Conduct a survey. Visit a site similar to yours and announce that you have a survey they can answer. The site and yours reap results, so no one's on the losing end here. There are sites available that specialize in low-cost advanced website traffic tactics. Search for them online and let your site rise to online popularity.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.